Good morning. We're doing a little morning stroll around Vinnie's.
Good morning.
Night went well. Actually, I didn't hear any of the bullfrogs. So he may have taken care of those or what, I don't know. But it may not be the season either. I don't know. I have no idea. But it was a nice, quiet night. And today, as you know, well, you may not know, but now you do, we're off to one of my favorite places in California, Lake Tahoe. Well, actually right outside Lake Tahoe.
Truckee.
Truckee, yes. But even outside Truckee a little bit. We've been to Alpine before last year. You might remember it. I bet you will once we get there.
You scared the birds and the horses.
Apparently I did.
Sorry, ducks.
Yeah, we kind of screwed over the ducks.
We did.
But all I was doing was filming. Ducks are weird.
Or you're just very scared.
I'm just very scary. So in the last video, we promised to show you what Vinnie did while we were gone. Couple things. One, he actually noticed this down here. This was not sealed very well. And apparently, the previous owner, this panel was probably replaced, but it was cut a little bit short and it didn't come underneath this panel here. It was kind of done shoddily. So when we bottomed out, this moved in such a way where there was a little bit of a give or a crease space between these two panels. And ultimately means that wasn't sealed like it could have been. So he just put some seal here. He's the one who really noticed that. We didn't even ask him to do that. But once we go to sell this thing, whenever that happens, might have to like clean up a little bit or whatever. But so that was done. And the real reason why we came out here is because this drawer did not slide out very easily. But as you can see now, it slides out very easily. The problem was it was completely dented, like underneath on the underside of the drawer. So you had to take the drawer out, bend it back into place with like a 2x4. But it worked perfectly, and now it slides out just like it's brand new. So we are all set to go. It was a very cheap spot for us. Thanks again, Vinnie, for letting us stay here. And if you're ever in the area or you need some work done on your Airstream, highly, highly recommend coming here to Vinnie's North Bay Airstream Repair, I think it is. Oh, there's a sticker. Yeah, I stole one of his stickers. But I told him that I stole it and he was okay with it because it's just a sticker. And it's publicity.
It is. We're gonna put it on our wall.
That's right.
So now it's time to get packed up and head out.
We made it. This is Alpine Meadows Campground. And if you look carefully, okay, I don't expect you guys to actually remember this. This is the exact same spot we were in last time we were here. Good solar, not a lot of trees that way. There's trees behind me, but that's east. So we may not get a lot of sun in the morning, but we should get sun midday. As you can see, it's blazing right now and it's gonna set in that direction. But this is a site that we liked because of this right here. All of that space is basically our front yard. So Penny has already gone out there and explored because that's what she likes to do, as you know. And this is, we remember how much fun she had and how much fun we had being in this very spot, so we can look out in the middle of trees, and there's a lake down there, Martis Creek, I think is what it's called, and not just the rest of the campground. So this is a completely 100% dry camping. It's 10 bucks a night if you have a National Parks Pass, 20 bucks a night if you don't. However, the nice thing is, right across the street, boom, water. And then up there are the pit toilets if you need them. So this is a really, spot number 9. If you're ever in this campground, spot number 9 is where it's at. Every once in a while, I like to get up on top of the Airstream just to dust off our solar panels so we know we're getting maximum charge. Let's go. All right, these guys aren't nearly as bad as I thought they were. But since I'm up here, there's still some gunk on them, so you can see that. So I'm still gonna clean them.
Almost.
We decided to take a walk down to Martis Creek Lake, which is not huge, but it's a body of water right by the campground. It's within walking distance. So it took us probably 15 minutes to get down here. And of course, the dogs are with us.
This is part of the reason why we love this campground. Because not only do we have like the biggest backyard ever, and it's super quiet, and $10 a night, but we have this within walking distance. Can't beat it.
We are on our way back. We're gonna chill for a while until happy hour. Probably have another campfire. There's so much burning material around here, and there are no fire bans in this area right now. So campfire it is, probably every night.
It's also nice and chilly here, so it makes campfires even better because it's not like 90 degrees.
We hear rain is in the forecast. We got a little bit this morning, cleared right up. We're at 100% battery inside because of solar. Oh man, remember the video that we did about the 5 or so boondocking things we wouldn't go without? Yeah, that video, solar was number 1 or 2. I don't even remember, but man, it is awesome when you're not plugged in.